just got flies. Alright guys, so back to BrewDub today. I'm gonna knock off another thing, or cross off another thing on the list here. I got front and rear shoes, possibly drums and pads. I want to buy new drums for the front, and I got shoes all the way around. So I'm gonna replace the fronts, shoes and drums. And then we're gonna go ahead and check the rear, see how that looks. But I get squeaking all the time when I first start driving, so brakes, I haven't checked them in a while, so let's go check it out. What do you think, Bo? What do you think?
Nope. Oh, yeah. A little bit.
Hopefully everything works out well, you know, and do that, you know. That's what I'm gonna do. My last axle and brake here. Brakes seem fine. It's just this one is a little leaky. Maybe tighten the axles up. Put new CV axles on here, so this is the last one. Well, I checked all the brakes. They seem fine, but I adjusted them. I also replaced the axles. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find, actually gonna go ahead and, I saw I'm missing a bolt here in the bumper. So I need to find a carriage bolt. Go ahead and do that. And then we'll probably take it for a drive, see how it does. But I was having issues with the brakes squealing real bad. On the passenger rear, it looks like there might be, I don't know. There's a lot of like junk on the brake shoe, so I cleaned that up and I cleaned inside the drum. So we'll go ahead and see if that's gonna stop all that noise, and then we'll figure out what the next product is. I gotta go ahead and fix the CB antenna. I gotta go ahead and do the wiper motor for sure, and we'll see what else. I got my list. I'll go ahead and cross this off. The axles and the brakes, I think we'll be good to go. Until next time, we'll see you. This one in the plus. Yes. Put that in here. Put the tire back in here. That and here. Didn't seem to do anything. I wish it didn't do anything. Tired of this nonsense.